Do you want to write code faster, smarter, and easier? Do you want to have a personal assistant that can help you with any programming task? Then you need to check out Microsoft Copilot, your new AI best friend. Come, let's find out more about the new Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is a new artificial intelligence product that can help you work faster and smarter. It is like having a best friend who knows a lot about different topics and can help the user with various tasks. So, what is Microsoft Copilot? It is a tool that uses AI to understand words and data and to generate useful content for users. It works with popular Microsoft 365 apps, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. The user can use Microsoft Copilot to ask questions, get answers, create documents, summarize emails, prepare presentations, analyze data, and much more. Microsoft Copilot can also help to learn new skills, simplify complex information, and free up time for creative thinking. How does Microsoft Copilot work? The Microsoft Copilot uses large language models to process natural language. LLMs are computer programs that can learn from huge amounts of text data and generate new text based on what they have learned. Microsoft Copilot uses LLMs that have been trained on billions of words from the internet, books, news articles, and other sources. These LLMs can understand the meaning and context of your words and data and generate relevant content for users. Microsoft Copilot also integrates the data with the Microsoft Graph and Microsoft 365 apps and services. The Microsoft Graph is a network of data that connects files, emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and other information across Microsoft 365. Microsoft Copilot can access the Microsoft Graph to find the data that the user needs and use it to create content for its user. For example, suppose you ask Microsoft Copilot to write an email to your boss about your project progress. In that case, it can use the data from your project files, your calendar events, your previous emails, and other sources to generate a draft email for you. Microsoft Copilot works alongside the Microsoft 365 apps that users use every day. The user can access Microsoft Copilot from a tab or a button in the app that they are using. For example, if the user is using Word, you can click on the Copilot tab near the top of the document to open a sidebar where you can type questions or requests for Microsoft Copilot. Users can also select some text in your document and click on the Copilot button to get suggestions from Microsoft Copilot based on the selected text. What can Microsoft Copilot do for its users? Microsoft Copilot can help with various tasks across different domains and scenarios. Here are some examples of what Microsoft Copilot can do for the user. In Word, users can use Microsoft Copilot to write a great article. The user can ask Microsoft Copilot to help with the title, the introduction, the outline, the main points, the conclusion, or any other part of the article, and can also ask Microsoft Copilot to add more details, examples, facts, quotes, or references to your article, and can also use Microsoft Copilot to check your grammar, spelling, style, tone, and readability. In PowerPoint, the user can use Microsoft Copilot to draft a presentation and can ask Microsoft Copilot to help with the title slide, the agenda slide, the key messages slide, or any other slide that is needed, and can also ask Microsoft Copilot to add more text, images, charts, graphs, or animations to slides. The user can also use Microsoft Copilot to rehearse your presentation and get feedback on your delivery. In Excel, the user can use Microsoft Copilot to do more with data and can ask Microsoft Copilot to help with formulas, functions, charts, tables, pivot tables, or any other feature that is needed, and can also ask Microsoft Copilot to analyze the data and give insights such as trends, patterns, outliers, correlations, or predictions. In Outlook, the user can use Microsoft Copilot to catch up on emails and can ask Microsoft Copilot to summarize an email thread in simple language so that the user doesn't have to read all the messages, and can also ask Microsoft Copilot to reply to an email by generating a draft response based on the context and tone of the email. You can also use Microsoft Copilot to schedule meetings or appointments, finding the best time and date for everyone involved. In Teams, the user can use Microsoft Copilot to stay on top of meetings, and can ask Microsoft Copilot to transcribe meetings and highlight the key points and action items. Users can also ask Microsoft Copilot to help organize ideas, understand context, and bring collaboration to the next level during meetings. You can also use Microsoft Copilot to create meeting agendas, follow-up emails, or feedback surveys for the team members. In Loop, the user can use Microsoft Copilot to create an agenda for a project or a topic that you want to discuss with others, and can ask Microsoft Copilot to help with the title, the objective, the participants, the questions, or any other part of the agenda, and can also ask Microsoft Copilot to add more information, resources, or suggestions to your agenda. The user can also use Microsoft Copilot to share the agenda with others and get their input or feedback. Microsoft is a company that makes and sells different kinds of products and services related to technology. Microsoft provides cloud computing for its users. Cloud computing is when you use the internet to keep and work with data instead of using a computer or server that is near you. Microsoft has a cloud platform called Azure, which lets people and businesses use different kinds of services like databases, artificial intelligence, security, and more. Microsoft makes its brand of computers, tablets, and laptops called Surface. These devices run on Windows, which is an operating system that Microsoft also makes. An operating system is software that manages how a computer works and lets users run other programs on it. Microsoft also makes many apps or applications, which are programs that people can use for different things. Some of the popular apps that Microsoft makes are Office, Outlook, Skype, and OneDrive. Microsoft also works in the gaming industry, which is about making and playing video games. Microsoft has a gaming console called Xbox, which is a device that connects to a TV and lets people play games on it. Microsoft also makes many games for Xbox and other platforms, such as Halo, Minecraft, Forza, and more. Xbox is a popular gadget for people who like to play computer games. Xbox has created 5 different consoles so far, each with different features and abilities. The newest one is called Xbox Series XS, which can play very high-quality games. Games can be played on consoles or computers. Xbox has many games that you can pick from, some of which are only available on Xbox. Microsoft Corporation is a big company from the United States that makes and sells different kinds of technology products. Some of the things that Microsoft is famous for are the Windows operating systems, the Microsoft 365 apps for working and learning, and the Edge web browser. Microsoft Copilot, your new AI best friend, is a revolutionary tool that can help you write code like a pro. It can suggest code snippets, complete functions, and even generate entire programs based on your natural language input. Comment your thoughts on the new Copilot, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.